Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine at your places. My name is Nadir and I am your chemistry teacher at Allied School Abdulaziz campus. In the name of Allah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today our discussion topic is short question and long question of summer vacation task of class 9th. So I will give you the concept of short question and long question briefly one by one. Our first topic is shielding effect. Define shielding effect and also write its trend in periodic table. What is shielding effect? The reduction in force of attraction between nucleus and valence electron by the electron present in inner subshell is called shielding effect. Basically, shielding effect is a reduction in force of attraction. A force of attraction is present between nucleus and the valence electron, or the electron revolve around the nucleus. Electron has negative charge and proton has positive charge. Proton is present in the nucleus. So a force of attraction is present between the electron and proton. Due to this force of attraction, the existence of atom is possible. So when this force is reduced, this is known as shielding effect. Trend in periodic table. Trend in group. As we move from top to bottom in a group, the number of electronic shell increases, so the number of electron in inner shell also increase. As a result, shielding effect increases. Dear student, when we move from top to bottom, the number of shell increases. मीन्स कि जो नंबर ऑफ़ शेल हैं वो इंक्रीज़ हो रहे हैं. जब नंबर ऑफ़ शेल न्यूक्लियस से डिस्टेंस पे जाते हैं तो न्यूक्लियस की होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी, न्यूक्लियस जिस फोर्स से, जिस पावर से इलेक्ट्रॉनों को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर रहा होता है, उसमें कमिंग आ जाती है. तो ग्रुप में हम टॉप टू बॉटम मूव करते हैं तो इस फोर्स में, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन में कमी आ जाती है, ये रिड्यूस हो जाती है. सो वी कैन से व्हेन वी मूव फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम इन अ ग्रुप, the shielding effect increases due to decrease in force of attraction or reduction in force of attraction. This is due to increase in number of electronic shell, or the electron present in the valence shells is a long distance from the nucleus. Next, trend in period. When we move from left to right in the periodic table, the number of shells remains constant or same, so the shielding effect does not change, it remains constant. Shielding effect का रिलेशन डायरेक्ट जो है ना नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन से है. इन अ पीरियड वी मूव फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट स्टूडेंट, तो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कांस्टेंट रहते हैं, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इंक्रीज नहीं होते हैं. सो वी कैन से व्हेन वी मूव फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट इन अ पीरियड, electronic shell remain constant and the shielding effect also remain constant. Next question is, an atom is electrically neutral. Why? So first of all, I will give you the reason of why an atom is electrically neutral. An atom has electron and a proton. Electron is present in the nucleus of an atom and proton is present in the nucleus of an atom and electron is present in around the nucleus. So electron revolve around the nucleus. Electron contain negative charge while the proton contain positive charge. We express in the form of plus 1 in proton and minus 1 in electron. So in the form of charge, proton contain the value of charge plus 1.602 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb, and electron contain minus 1.602 and into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulombs. So both electron and proton have same charges, but the net force on the sign of charge on electron and proton are different, so they cancel each other. Due to this reason, we can say an atom is electrically neutral. Next portion consists of long question. So I will discuss with you the long question. that is define covalent bond and also describes single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Dear student, first of all I will tell you what is covalent bond. A bond is formed by mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. For example, formation of covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. In hydrogen molecules, two hydrogen atoms are involved. Basically, hydrogen atom contain one electron, so it attains the stability. It attains the electronic configuration of noble gases. So it completes its duplet rule. It follows the duplet rule because the outermost shell of hydrogen contains only two electrons. To attain the stability, atom gain electron, lose electron and share electron. But here we're discussing about the sharing of electron because our topic is covalent bond which is related to the sharing of electron. Hydrogen contains one electron and the other hydrogen also contains one electron in valence shell. Hydrogen share one electron to the other hydrogen atom to form the hydrogen molecule. If we after the sharing we consider one hydrogen atom with the share pair of electron, it contains two electrons. It means its outermost shell is complete. And the next hydrogen atom with share pair of electron also contains two electrons, so its outermost shell is completed. In this way, two hydrogen atoms combine to form the hydrogen molecule H2. So we move to the types of covalent bond: single covalent bond, double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. Single covalent bond. Single covalent bond is defined as the covalent bond formed by the sharing of two pair of electrons. Here we discuss the example of fluorine. Two fluorine atoms combine to form F2 fluorine molecule. Fluorine contains 7 electrons in its last shell or outermost shell because fluorine belongs to the group 7. So fluorine needed one electron to complete its octet. For fluorine follow the octet rule. For this purpose fluorine share one electron to the other fluorine atom to form the fluorine molecule. Next we move to the double covalent bond. Double covalent bond is the type of covalent bond which is formed by the sharing of two electrons. Here we discuss the example of oxygen molecule. Oxygen contains 6 electrons in outermost shell. So oxygen belongs to the group 6. Oxygen needed 2 electrons to complete its octet. So for this purpose oxygen share 2 electrons with the other oxygen atom to form the O2 molecule. In double covalent bond, two electron pair are shared between two atoms like oxygen atom. Both oxygen atoms combine sharing their electron to form O2 molecule. Triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond is such type of bond which is formed by the sharing of three electrons. Here I discuss the example of nitrogen molecules or the formation of nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen atom contains 5 electrons because it belongs to group 5. So it needed 3 electrons to complete its octet. For this purpose, nitrogen atom share their 3 electrons to other nitrogen atom to form the nitrogen molecule. In this way, nitrogen molecule is formed. Dear student, I hope you will follow my instructions which are given above. In case of any problem, kindly tell me on WhatsApp group. Thank you. Wish you all the best.